Today I'm explaining a cable tension calculator that solves one of the most fundamental problems in structural engineering, determining the forces and geometry of suspended cables under load. This calculator handles both catenary and parabolic cable profiles. When you suspend a cable between 2 points and apply a load, it naturally forms a curve. The tension varies along the cable length, and calculating these forces accurately is critical for safe design. Let's examine the input parameters. First, you'll enter the horizontal span, the distance between support points. For power transmission lines, this might be 300 meters between towers. Next is the sag, the vertical distance from the lowest point to a straight line between supports. A typical value might be 15 meters for that transmission line. The distributed load represents weight per unit length. For a steel cable supporting its own weight, you might input 50 newtons per meter. Finally, select either catenary analysis for cables under self-weight only or parabolic for cables with uniform horizontal loads like bridge decks. Here's a practical example. You're designing a suspension footbridge with a 100-meter span. You want 5 meters of sag. The cable plus decking creates a distributed load of 200 newtons per meter. Select parabolic analysis, since the deck load dominates. The calculator instantly shows the maximum tension occurs at the supports, 10,100 newtons in this case. The horizontal component remains constant at 10,000 newtons throughout. These values directly determine your cable diameter and anchor design requirements. Critical insight: never use parabolic approximation for large sag-to-span ratios above 0.1, as errors become significant. Find the link in the description below.